harsh chemicals and alcohol can dry your skin and aren't safe for little ones or pets. Dew changes how you clean and care. With 0% alcohol and no toxins. Crafted through a natural process that supports immunity. Choose Dew Nipple Cleansing Water and Baby Skin Cleansing Water for delicate skin. Dew Multi-Purpose Cleaner for your home. And Dew Hand Cleansing Water or Hand and Body Wash Foam for daily freshness. 99.9% water-based, organic, Allergy UK tested, hypoallergenic and 100% child-safe. Clean with confidence, care with love. Dew, nature's way to protect your family every day.